of you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys so much. Oh my god. Today's wig is gonna be from Outre. I'm super excited to be installing, reviewing, and styling this wig today. I am in the spirit of fall. Fall is literally my second favorite season. Summer's first, of course, but fall is my second favorite season because it's my birthday, but also because of the colors of fall. And when I say colors, baby, I mean the wig colors, okay? I want to look like an autumn leaf. Crisp, crunchy, sexy, beautiful. That's me. That's what I want to give. And today, that's exactly what we're giving with this ginger hair. I'm super excited for you guys to see how I installed and styled this unit, so just stay tuned. Because I always look so good at everything, I really couldn't decide if I wanted to bust down, if I wanted to side fire. But I said, you know what, let me just try to put all these baby hairs back and really try to see the vision. I knew I had the idea for 90s layers, so I was kind of leaning more towards middle part bust down. Although I like this adhesive spray, I'm not gonna lie, I miss Evan a little bit, but I do not partake in the mistreatment of black women, so we don't. In this video, you're gonna see that I am very detailed with the install and the styling of this unit, because I really want you guys to see how easy it is to achieve this look by yourself, for yourself. To cut out the stylist, like, you can do it. Just put this video on your TV and sit right in front of that TV, girl, and do everything I'm doing, and you can do it. Band for 15 minutes, do not forget it. Also, I changed to a slimmer band. Band can just be focused on the lace. That's all I need to focus on, melting the lace. That's it. If you want your wig to look like you just left the salon, you just left that stylist, you're gonna need a wax stick and you're gonna need your hot comb, especially if it's synthetic, because you need to flatten out the top. Do you see that? Do you see that? You don't want no Humpty Dumpty, bitch. Flatten that shit out. It's going to look completely different. It's going to transform the wig and give it a human hair-like effect to it, okay? Another tip I like to do is define my part. You see how I'm just plucking out those little stray hairs? You see, I'm just not a chicken, bitch. Don't start plucking too much, because this is still synthetic lace. It can rip easily. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's just a little limp from the elastic band, but look at the scalp. I'm going in with a lighter concealer, nothing that's bright white. Do you see that? I'm not Michael Jackson, bitch, so I know my scalp is not that bright, so I'm going to blend that out with a spoolie. Listen up, girls, these are tips and gems to make your wig look natural as possible. Speaking of natural, we are going for a natural hairline. Because this is a colored wig, I do not want to paste them baby hairs to my forehead. That would not look flattering at all. I'm gonna press it down so they go in the direction I want them to lay, and I'm going to just jag it and cut them to my liking, and I'm gonna cut them shorter, and that is going to create a natural hairline effect. Using the hot comb, you are creating a distance between the natural hairline, basically, and molding it for how you want it to fall. My favorite part, let's get into styling. You want to section off the front piece. I say that's wherever your ear starts or wherever your sideburn is. And you want to go in a 90-degree angle. I'm no mathematician, girl. I attended YouTube University like everybody else. But I make sure it's looking how it's supposed to look, okay? Best thing about synthetic wigs is that you can achieve this style without heat. All you need to do is make sure after you cut, you brush it. Always start low because you can never replace hair. Now I'm going higher. I'm starting the layers at my chin. So I'm doing the same thing. 90 degree, 94. I don't know, girl. Get a calculator. But you see, it's turning out exactly how you want it. No heat applied. Voila, bitch, Houdini, magic. You see it. I'm telling you guys, it's super easy. I'm feeling myself because it looks so good. Just for comparison, that's the stock card and this is me. This unit cost me about $47. I bought this unit with my own money from Ebony Line's website because I really had a vision and I wanted it to come to life. And I truly hope you guys enjoyed this unit. Thanks so much for rocking with me. If you really go out and get this unit, let me know in the comments below. If you follow this detailed tutorial, I would love to see how it came out. Hit me up on my Instagram, shoot me a picture, girl, send me a DM. Thank you guys so much for watching. Every comment, every sub, every like, it means the world to me. Continue to stay beautiful, stay blessed, never stress, no less. Mwah. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.